To Sleeping Dog video. Today I just wanted to show off some of my new Hot Wheels cars that I bought when I was in August when I was at the Monterey Historic Automobile Races at Laguna Seca, famous Laguna Seca racetrack. Seca, and so these are some of the cars. There was a company there that had a booth and had lots of cars to choose from. These are either Hot Wheels or they're in the style of Hot Wheels cars. They might be made by other brands, as you will see. This one is actually a Hot Wheels car. It is a Bugatti. I can't tell, but if it's a single-seater, it's the Bugatti F35. If it's the dual seat, then it's the 37. And this one from the Johnny Lightning collection, it is the Shelby Daytona Coupe, and this is the Shelby collection, and this is the Shelby Roadster version, Cobra. But in this one, the doors and hood actually open, as you can see. This is another Johnny Lightning hot rod, because I love hot rod cars, edition. And not all cars like this one and most of Hot Wheels, the doors and everything don't open. So I had a break-in about a year and a half ago, and a lot of my original Hot Wheels, since I had like 74 to about 100 original Hot Wheels, you can see here, these are the 3 left of the original Hot Wheels. I could tell that they were original from around 1968 to 1972 probably, because the ones, after I researched, the ones back then were made in Hong Kong. And if you see ones that have a stamp underneath them, if you go to any rummy sales of old Hot Wheels, look and see if underneath they say Hong Kong. Then you'll know that those are original 1968-69 Hot Wheels. Then what I wanted to say, so then I bought these. These are nice. These are like shipping containers. They come in for the packaging. And this one, as you can see, is the drag strip. They're all the car culture edition Hot Wheels with the drag strip demons. This one over here, I won't take all the cars off to show you, but this is the Jay Leno Garage cars. And his cars are the ones in the back. Like that silver one is his tank car with the actual tank, M1 or something, tank engine he has in it. That's his Mercedes 300 Gullwing. And these two, I think, are his, that is either a Ferrari or a Lamborghini, and then that's a Lamborghini car. And this one, this white one, might be his car too. The other ones are just other cars that I put on display. This white and black one is another Bugatti car. This is like a dirt track racing 1940s car. This is a Hot Wheels car that's a 300 Chrysler 300. Our friend has got from another friend that is no longer living in his will, the 300G car that was supposed to be These were supposed to be really high performance cars for the time, but they're also really luxurious. So the 300, his 300G has the seats that swivel out when you open the door so you can get in and out. Plus it has the push buttons on the dash for all the controls. So it's really cool. He thinks that the friend, that our friend he got it from, changed out the engine in it. So it doesn't have the original 300G engine. Just a similar one. But here's some other cars. This one I thought was cool, so I picked up either on eBay or Amazon. It's supposed to represent a barn find car with a lot of dust. So the specs, I don't know what they use for it, are supposed to represent dirt. And that's just a blue painter's tape. But that's supposed to represent a blue tarp that they put over the car. And then you have these cars, such as this Volkswagen, which are also, I signed up for the $99 a year for the Hot Wheels Red Line collecting group, club. So these come online and you'll be emailed these, and they come in the display case like this, or like this, which is has dirt and different stuff in it. And you can keep them in the display case or remove them from the display case. This one is a Matchbox car, and this is a Hot Wheels car. And what it is, you got to jump on it when it says 9 o'clock on such and such date. That's Pacific time. You got to jump on them and see if you can be one of the few, maybe a couple hundred, that will get limited edition cars. A lot of the cars, I don't think this one does, but a lot of the cars, the doors and so forth open and close. I had a Willys Jeep from the Hot Wheels group, Red Line group, that actually the springs and shocks went up and down in it. So it went to make it look like it had a 2-inch lift kit that would go up and down. So these are some of the other cars that were in the Car Culture edition, just to go and show you these. And then this was in either Jay Leno's garage or the Car Culture garage, where or another set I recently bought. But anyway, I bought that and didn't know that one was the same one I bought individually here. So those are two of the same cars. And this looks like it's a Cord. Could be a Duesenberg, but I think it's a Cord. That's the name of the car. And so that's pretty much, I'll go over here. This one is a newer version, this green one, of a car that I had the original one, and I forget the name that they gave it originally. And so I'll pan around here, and that's all I wanted to show. If my audio turns out well, I will sign off. And so, because I normally like to open these up and not just keep them in the packaging, so I wanted to show them off as they come in the packaging, and then open them up and display them on my mantle. So this has been John for sleepingdog.video.